Your feet will never be cold again. Here's a solution for everyone who struggles with cold feet and wonders how to warm them up. The best way to keep your feet warm is by using an insulating insole. Let me show you how to make one yourself. Most people throw away empty milk or juice cartons without realizing they can help prevent cold from seeping into your shoes and keep your feet warmer. Open a carton, wash and dry it thoroughly. Take the insole from the shoe you want to insulate, place it on the carton, and trace its shape. Cut out the traced shape. And voila, you've created a new insole. Place it inside your shoe, underneath the original insole. The carton's silver lining is great for retaining heat and reducing the cold that comes through the sole. This trick keeps my feet warm every time, and it costs nothing. A simple and cheap solution to keep your feet cozy.